Welcome. Today we're making your digital product in less time than getting to Starbucks with your favorite barista. Yes, we are that fast. And just like that frap, you can customize and personalize your product to your heart's content. Today I'm going to show you how to create your digital product in under 7 minutes. If you're ready, let's dive in. Okay, so for first things first, log into your dashboard. You're going to choose how to create your product. Go here. Okay, so you could have a YouTube video. You can turn a YouTube video into a workbook and boom, you're suddenly a professor. Already have a PDF. Come back here, upload it, and we'll wrap it up for you with a shiny offer page and an email follow-up sequence. It's going to be ready for you to win and woo your customers. Feeling lazy but brilliant? Okay, no worries. Pick one of these 678 digital products. These are products that we've already designed, already created for you, and all you have to do is edit them and call them yours. Okay, or my favorite, you can go full Picasso and build your next digital product page by page by page. And the first thing you need to do is brand it. Then you're going to want to pick your colors. This is where you add your fonts, your style, your pizzazz, and you can customize it. You're going to make it yours. You need to give your product a name. If you're stuck, just ask our built-in AI assistant. Because let's be honest, sometimes naming your first product feels harder than naming your first child. Add a subtitle. Again, AI can help you, so you're never going to feel stuck. Just click that little AI button if you ever want to refresh copy or get ideas, okay? And whenever you're ready to move forward and you've got it looking like you want, click the yellow button. That yellow button or any of those look good next buttons, what they do is they save your work and they bring you to the next step. So you don't have to do anything, honestly, but click the yellow button and we'll keep the process moving. Next up, you're going to want to select the pages that go inside your digital product. Maybe you want a cover page, a worksheet, a checklist, a journal page, or all three or all four, a calendar sheet, a planner page. You can go in here, mix and match, and go crazy. Some folks just pick one checklist. Other folks go insane and they make a ginormous book. You can customize it all to your heart's content. Well, almost everything, nearly everything. There are no wrong choices. So pick a page, edit it. You can change its text. You can add images. You can switch out the colors. When you have the content the way you like it, remember, it only needs to be good enough. Perfection is the enemy of progress. Do not spend all day on this. Hit the yellow button. You can also hit the yellow button as you go to save your work. If you're one of those people who knows you're going to be stepping away from the computer for a little bit. Make sure you save your work before you go by hitting the yellow button. Another tip. If the wording is not what you love when you're at this stage and you're trying to finesse the wording, you can always add a different prompt into the prompt box. So you can always change the prompt, but you may need to set your brand voice. That is in this screen right here, and you can set your brand voice, and that kind of adds flavor into all of the pages that you're making going forward. Okay, I will show you how to do that in a future video. But once you have your page and you love it, you can add another page or add another batch or add a PDF. Keep adding pages until you like your product. Some people like to have paid products that are 6 pages long. Some people like 12. 12 is like a happy number. We see a lot of people with 12. And a couple of you even have like 485. You're crazy. Okay, once you've published it, your last step is creating an offer page to match the product that you just made. You've created a shiny new product and you've even made an offer page to go with it. That shiny new product that you made, you can use it as a framework to cover in a coaching call. You just create a book a call page. You can publish it as a lead magnet to grow your email list. There's lead magnet. You just select lead magnet here. Pro tip, guys, You could select lead magnet and then pair this with your next podcast episode because it's almost like peanut butter and jelly. They watch the show and they get the goodies. Okay, that's it. You can go through here. You can make it as a handout for your challenge. You can make it as a handout to help people onboard for your agency services. Go through this list, pick the funnel that's best for you, the offer that's best for you, and you're off and rocking and rolling. We've literally built your digital product together with you in less than 7 minutes. It's that easy, right? It's faster than binging in Netflix, and it's way more profitable. Now, go make something amazing. And we would love to have you come share it with us. Whoever's giving you this video, share it with us. Let us see it. Let us cheer you on. And remember, products don't make themselves unless you're using our system.